That man of rich, as the credits, and blow your mind, say, son, you suck. When me rock, never more balance, and you me rock. I they fucking do my sin.
Yeah. All the Ugandan ladies, I want to say, big up Kampala City, you understand? Because I'm from Jamaica and I heard that it is very pretty. Hey. Na 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 na, girl, you turn me on. Balunjin yo 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 yo, muwala unkuba. Balunjin yo 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 yo. I'm an African by right, but I was stolen in the night, taken far across the sea. But I want you here with me. Banamoy, you're on my bed.
Running away guns and a sure suicide when the dark.
Yo.
You gonna mix up? Oh, sorry. Let me tell you something. This is where me come from. Now the heart of Kingston, Jamaica, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Be a bad boy run my ghetto. Be a thugs, remember that.
Right. Okay, say something to the Ugandans here.
You did that yesterday.
That's Mr. Kilo.
Boy. I haven't been back for a long time, that's why I sound so English. But I'm coming back soon.
Cool,
Very,
man.
very soon.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
Waiting for you.
And someone needs to book special selection sound with DJs out here.
Yeah.
With DJs. Whatever you want to hear. Yeah? What kind of music do people dance to in Uganda? They listen to everything, don't they?
Ooh.
R&B, hip hop, dancehall.
Everything.
Yeah, soca, calypso.
Everything, yeah, yeah.
I'll go everything, everything.
Regular
I'll introduce
colors.
Uganda to some new music like grime and garage.
Yeah, man.
What people dance to over in England. Yeah, it's jumpy, it's dancey, everyone has fun, you know?
Okay. Dr. Hyde, it's your turn.
Alright, what I'm going to say...
Jamaican accent, please.
Definitely. I'm not from the ghettos, the garrison. I'm an uptown kid. I eat chicken. Curry goat.
Ooh.
Yeah. That's joking, my people. Just keeping it real. Big up to Chemist, super engineer. Big up to my Ugandan brethren.
Right.
Trust me. Massive work out in England, man. And trust me, we're heading to Jamaica
Yo,
to do some
man.
more work. This artist, bad.
Hey, guys, that's my producer.
Run a tune, Kevin. Bad.
All the Ugandan ladies.
Yeah.
Focus here, we're coming to Uganda. Play some music. And some parties, man. Real dopes. Look,
We're gonna do a tour from Entebbe to Lida to Kampala.
Kampala, Ginger,
Yeah, Ginger.
Gulu, Soloti.
No.
That's my sound engineer.
All the Ugandan ladies, I want to say, big up Kampala City, understand? Because I'm from Jamaica. Thank you.